guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley and I'm back with another video. We're gonna be trying out new makeup products, new to me, probably old to you guys now, and I wanted to film this where I could test the makeup products for a whole day. And to be honest, when I try to do it like to wake up in the morning and go to work with makeup on, that's not even like possible. I am using natural lighting today because the sun is actually gracing us today, like a little bit. So the lighting might go in and out. I apologize in advance, but I like this natural lighting. Okay, so let's get started. I got a lot of stuff from just everywhere. Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, drugstore. No, not drugstore. For primer, I got this like little tester from Cover FX. It's the blurring primer. This is what it looks like when you take it out. It's like a brownish, tannish looking thing. Just like put it on my nail. I usually put my primer over my T-zone because that's where I get oily the most. So it doesn't go all over my face, just on my T-zones. Even though in my opinion nothing compares to the Becca primer that I always use. Nothing compares to that one, okay? It definitely does blur out your pores, if you guys can see. It has like a little white cast, but alright. Feels okay. Feels nice. Not too bad. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna be using, for the first time ever, I'm gonna be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm super excited about this foundation. I think this is the new one that came out. I am in the shade Dark 3. This is my first time ever trying out anything Nars. I'm excited. I want to see like if the hype is real, like if the hype is what it is. Is it what it is or not? So I'm gonna shake it up. Oh my gosh, before I do that, doll Charlene, I'm gonna be using the Bye Bye Pores Pressed. But it's like a nice powder that like sucks up all your oils and all that kind of stuff, and she's saying it was good, so we're gonna try it today. Should I use the thing that it came with? I hope the girl wasn't lying to me. I put it on. That all over. Cause I do get oily. A little ashy, but do I let it sit for a minute or something? My back is really hurting. I'm not sitting properly. Oh, okay. I'm conflicted. Alright, so we are trying the Nars foundation. Definitely my shade. What do you guys think? Oh my god, this foundation is good. It's radiant. It's like glowy. I look scary, but it's like a glowy foundation. Don't neglect your neck or your ears, okay? Oh wow, this foundation looks amazing on me. It looks good. And now my wig is finally that wig is finally blending in. Okay, sis, I see you. Okay. Oh, with our eyebrows, I wanted to try the Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil. I chose the number 6. spoolie. All right, so let's get these brows together. So we're gonna brush it. The spoolie feels nice. I don't know if number 6 was dark, too dark, but we're gonna see. So to clean my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. That's what I am. So my eyebrows are done. This one always gives me a problem. This one is fine. This one always gives me problems. Whatever. With the same concealer, we're gonna go ahead and conceal. This is how I apply my concealer. Go to my nose. And then just with the Bye Bye Pores to set our under eye. Let's try it. Why not? So I'm done with my whole face. I did everything, set my face, you know, contoured a little bit, all that. So now we're gonna go and do like a liner, because I haven't done an eyeliner in a minute. We're gonna be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's Intense Black is a shade. Not done a eyeliner look in forever. Okay, so now that we have our liner on, I think the tape messed up my concealer. I'm gonna go back with it. We're gonna be using the infamous Better Than Sex mascara. Like, I hear so much about this. Like, this gets so much, how do you say, clout? It looks like this is what it looks like. Turn to the side. You guys see my non-existent lashes? So this is with the mascara, and this is without the mascara. It's okay. It's not like the best. Maybe because I have no lashes and I can't really tell the difference. I'm gonna be using some lashes because yeah. Okay, so my lashes are all done. This one is still giving me problems. Like, it's just won't stop. I'm gonna put the mascara on my bottom lash as well. Okay, so we're done with our lashes and everything else. Our face is looking flawless. Our frontal is a slaying. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with highlighting. The highlighter I'm gonna use today is gonna be from Dose of Colors in the shade Icy Baby. Okay, so now I swatched this on my hand. This is what it looks like. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared. Like, I don't know what it's gonna look like on me. Like, okay, it's not too bad. It's hard to pick up anything from this. Like, it's hard. Okay, so I was scared about this highlighter at first, but now it's looking good. It's not too bad. Oh yeah, I'm hot. I'm hungry. I'm hot. I'm hungry. Most importantly, I'm hungry. We're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty. This one? This one is called Uncensored. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, change my outfit, and then come back and let you guys know about how I feel about all the products that I tried today. Be right back. Okay, so overall I like the foundation, I like the concealer, the Bye Bye's pore thing. I mean, I feel like it did a good job. What do you guys think? Let's take a picture with flash to see how it looks. We're gonna go on Snapchat because Snapchat never lies to you. See, it looks scary. Okay, let's do it again. Do one more time. So this is what it looks like with flash. Not bad. It looks good. I look mean, but it looks good. With the Stila liner, it's okay. I'll stick to my regular Wet n Wild $3 liner. For the highlighters for the Dose of Colors, it looks good in pictures, but like in real life, I'm not liking it. It looks too... It's okay. I don't know, that's always the color that I never usually, like, you know, go for highlighting. So mascara, I'm not really crazy about it. It's just mascara. I'm happy that I paid $11 and not $23, $24 for it, so it can stay where it's at. The primer for Cover FX, it felt good. It's not no Becca, but it felt pretty good. The Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil, it was okay. I mean, my brows do look good. I think personally for me, I'll stick to Anastasia Beverly Hills, my eyebrow pencil, better than this one. I don't know. I'll give it another try. I don't know. My Fenty Uncensored Stunner Lip Paint, I've always loved it. I did put like a darker lip in the middle to just make it look, you know, a little toned down, but I do like the color overall. I was trying to film my outro. I forgot that I do not have a lash on. I'm like, why does my face look so weird? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And if you want to know where I got this sweater from, stay tuned because I do have a haul coming up on my channel. But my back is hurting, y'all. Like, I gotta get ready to go to Bible study. So what time is it? It's like 8 something. Let me get ready for Bible study, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.